Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Honda Fit 2015 to 2019? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box A in the 2015 to 2016 Honda Fit controls and protects interior electrical features, such as power windows, audio, and climate systems. It ensures consistent power flow and reliable operation of cabin components. The passenger compartment fuse box B in the 2015 to 2016 Honda Fit supports and protects secondary interior systems like lighting, sensors, and accessory circuits, ensuring dependable electrical performance. The passenger compartment fuse box A in the 2017 to 2019 Honda Fit controls and protects interior electrical features such as power windows, audio, and climate systems. It ensures consistent power flow and reliable operation of cabin components. The passenger compartment fuse box B in the 2017 to 2019 Honda Fit supports and protects secondary interior systems like lighting, sensors, and accessory circuits, ensuring dependable electrical performance. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse boxes A and B in the 2015 to 2016 Honda Fit manage and protect essential engine, powertrain, and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and charging circuits. They ensure stable power distribution and reliable operation of critical vehicle components. The engine compartment fuse boxes A and B in the 2017 to 2019 Honda Fit protect key engine and electrical systems, including ignition, lighting, and charging components. They ensure efficient power flow and reliable performance of essential vehicle functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.